Lagos sweet. And they tell people, if you just come Lagos for the first time, if you want to enter motor, enter in the morning. 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, that time, all the things we conductor take to help them work, he never start to the work because sun never come out. So if conductor they load motor, what you go to hear now? K2 Jota my 12 low should. You go to hear and clear. K2 Jota my 12 low should. Once you don't knock 11, 12, 1, sun don't beat all the things where they take. What you going to hear now? Master the man, also. Master the man, also. People who don't take for Lagos go to enter, they know where the motor they go. But you will just come. You go just they look like who lost. Now people will come, they ask you, Auntie, where you they go? You say K2. They say, no, the motor be that. You say, no, this one says, no man. They say, no, the motor be that. You can't tell the conductor, K2. Well, they pay 150, man, also. As you see that, you go, they wonder where they talk. K2 for inside, man. That's why motor go they move. You go see passengers, they tell conductor, K2. Oh. Now people go to shout, madam, we never reach because they know here when you talk. Lagos is sweet. Everything for Nigeria just be sweet. So I always advise people. Some men go they complain, women don't like me because I don't get money. You will not get money, you like yourself. If you don't get money, leave women alone. My brother, hustle, get money. Now be say you go see where big boys they spend. I don't know what they worry poor men. Once they just see where big men they spend money, they'll begin quote Bible. Vanity upon vanity, everything is vanity. I don't know what they worry poor men. I don't see where big man they spray money before. You know, say every event where you go, they get big men, they get poor men. Poor men, they know they ever see chairs sit down. They stand and they in group. Because big men they spray money. Big boys, after they spray money, they carry bundle of money, they throw for up. Because see where poor men go gather one side like principalities and powers. They know they spray, you can't hear their gossip. God forbid, I not use who born me to do ritual. God forbid. The other one goes and say, what do you mean? You know, see the way that guy display money. Since when mama died now, so he take display money everywhere. Another one go come quote Bible. What shall it profit a man to get the whole world? I don't know why poor men don't ever go for Bible, see where they write, money answereth all things. Zacchaeus 42 verse 8. Now Zacchaeus, me I read from my own Bible. So please, have money. If you get money, you go enjoy. Now who don't get money, they say nothing there this life. No mind them or something there. Enjoy you. Have money. Some men go get one coin, see you. You go distress the girl. Enter motor. When you get to Oshodi, enter another one. Get to K2. You will not trek down. See where they are crossing Paco 20 naira. Cross the Paco. You will not see Keke. Enter Keke. Just to come see you for inside hot sun. As the girl, they suffer themselves, they come. Another person use Range Rover Sport. They beg her. Where are you going to? Let me take you out for lunch. If now if now you be the girl, so I say you go continue to go that place where you go. Man, I leave all these things. That's why girl go tell you I'm on my way. 30 minutes later, I go tell you, sorry, I can't make it. Something came up. Another person don't carry her for road. No, they blame them. Also get money. Anyway, they tell people, life sweet. If you get money, they prepare for your future. Because when you don't born, another time you go not say difference there between children and pikin. Pikin day, children day. Now children they born now. If they give pikin food, if you no reach up, you go they beg am. You go they sing for him. You go they bribe him. You say, Junior is a fine boy. When we small, who wants sing for you? Now one, my mama go they want you. Open your mouth to the link. They come out. If I come out now you hungry, go beat. It not be me. I go slap you here. The begin go they look am. I'm not be saying I better come. Those brown one, those dawa. When you get taste, they go put ginger and garlic inside. The thing will very tasteless. I don't know how we tell no say sugar, no did that thing. They'll come carry them. You'll come be like suicide mission. Open your mouth. I'll slap you now. Open your mouth. Begin to go open mouth. They'll call sugar. You know, grease swallow. They'll call the press in nose. You know, grease swallow. Your mama go shout. If you vomit this thing, I'll go slap you. As he did there, they shout. Now, one Yoruba woman where they pass. Then goes, iya beji. Kilo shele. Ko fe jeun gbewa. O ma jeun si won be that gbewa. She'll come collect the pikin for your hand. Come say, may you go bring bath. You come bring bath, sit down. They'll come open leg, shoot the pikin, put in 2 hands, cross the leg, come hold in jaw, hold in nose. You come here, pour their cam. As they pour their cam, the pikin going to do. Go. Ba uti ba gbe loju wa jeun abele iya were. Jeun jare. Go. Wo, ma gbe loju. As they shout, pikin go do. If you want for me, they go blow you breathe. Carry water wa jeun olori buruku. So say you don't anything. When they finish with you, your belly go swell. They will come back you. You go there where you sleep. Your mama go or come back Lagos. You never wake up. They no punch you well. That's everybody. I love Yoruba mothers. If pikin don't they misbehave, carry and give Yoruba mother. The Yoruba women get slapped when they take reset pikin, go back in factory setting where God take bring her.
SIM card. Are you married?
No, I'm the oldest bachelor alive.
Yeah, it's actually.
When you say oldest, what do you mean oldest? How old are you?
My sister. Get what you say, you don't old. That was still okay. But when they say you don't tea, that level I did.
So come on now. So what do you do with yourself? You are not married. So, but your career has been very successful. So why aren't you married?
I want married now. As a married never come, I cannot enjoy it.
You just
See, the most important thing for this life, better make you get broken relationships than to get broken marriage.
True.
Right on, Pastor.
True.
See, our parents, not married because of love.
They are not.
They're not married because of love.
True.
My papa don't marry. He just a pass with his military uniform. That's my mama. He said like her. I said, they say you just go see parents. I said, man, not be love.
Maybe for our village, because
I
my
said,
papa and my mama
in
love
those
each other.
days, love not there. They
That
marry
was-
because of interest and relationship. Now when they don't marry, now inside the marriage, neither for the.
Now for worry that one they happen.
Not only for worry. I said it before.
Not be lying.
Now sis, look, Igbo guests that they put money for this relationship thing.
Igbo.
I
When they
believe
come inside the calculator, they say this
No,
thing.
no, village.
This thing.
No,
We
no,
got
bro.
to- we got to
No, bro,
introduce-
anymore.
we got to introduce money for this thing. Before you know, money come enter. Relationship cost spoil. You go see some weddings who be like saying, see, if I marry you, if you marry, I come your, so it's not be marrying you. If I come your wedding, I buy a shoe, I spend money. You cause on I want break up. You go give me my shoe first, money first. You go look, all my expenses you go pay. So if I attend your marriage, not break up.
Some people are going to fear to invite you for their marriage.
I think one marriage.
In case.
Are you inviting SIM card? He said yes. Will you guys stay forever? He says it's in the hands of God. If it's in your own hand, now decide. God will collect everything back. He's so worried, he will take it back. He's taking it back.
So because this marriage story you see, so you better make it just day when you don't ready mentally and otherwise. Then you see person will be like say you understand your problem. Because everybody get problem.
Yes, now. I
Everybody
won't
get
carry.
problem.
I mean, they marry with their problem.
Yes, because the person when you get married so not be your family member. You get your own problem, you get your own demon. You be your own demon. So just imagine everything together. What I do. So Abelmo just stay social distancing, more observer. Then stay at home because it's not easy. See, I was not privileged to be in a competition where we had children from different states. They were asked to represent, to say alphabets as it relates to words. You need to see children. When you see an outside child that went to school, you go no say, this pikin sound, he go school. Very intelligent children. Outside child stood before us when they called him Ibrahim Ajatu. I was like, A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, D is for dog, E is for egg, F is for frog. They said, please, you know what you're doing? Clap him up. From there, competition, I went to Lagos. Intelligent child, Atinuke, Fabi. A is for apple, B is for bird, C is for cat, D is for dog, E is for egg. They said, please, you know what you are doing? Join the first one. As this competition, the nearest house outside, problem, they enter the competition. When they went to River State, and they called Rotimi Okparanos and said, when they here? And then we know say problem, don't come. As he stand, he said, A is for Aba Road, B is for Bori Camp, C is for Choba, D is for Diop, E is for Elele, F is for flyover. And I moderator say, idiot, fly from that podium before I arrest you. We say competition don't balance. Before we knew it, they now called the guy from Edo State. Osareti Abiyayiwa. He said, President, sir. Now he said, Oba Atope. They say, leave Oba for palace. Don't bring Oba for this matter. Now he said, for here, he said, no let transport company we get to. They say, shut up. Represent us well. Now he start. Now he say, A is for Agbonifo Line. B is for Bobizwa Motors. C is for Christ Foundation Motors. D is for Dofegot. E is for Edegbe Line. F is for Fear God Motors. When he reach G, I say G is for God is good motors. They say another idiot has just been identified. From there, competition now took us to Bayelsa State. when they call the child from Bayelsa, before they say, Peretu and Galant Prince are poor day here. Then they say, do what you made that this is. They say, for this side now, politics with Sabi, they say, shut up. Not disappoint us. Now I start, A is for Alamesia, B is for Bayelsa, C is for Congo, D is for Deprie, E is for EFCC, F is for FI, G is for Gwegwe, H is for Enikin, I is for Bogede, J is for Zonata. Good luck. Let us say, get out of this place. We thought we had seen it all until it got to the Delta child area. When it got to Delta child and they called him, he said, bros, are they here? He said, my blood, hot. He said, moderator, now you are the talk to. He said, look, he said, since when they stop all these Sasa people, for a year now, who do any, who stop me, go do it, go see any. He said, so when I go tell me the alphabet, I go tell you now what it be. He said, you're going to start. When he reach A, he say, A is for Agberu, B is for Banga soup, C is for Kulu, C is for Kogo, D is for Deve, E is for Idore, F na for Foko, G is for Gbege, H is for Afana, I is for Ifayera, J is for Jaguda, K is for Kulu, L is for Legbere, M is for Mugu, N is for Nobimio, O is for Okada, P is for PDP, Q is for Quarret, R is for Riri, S is for Sabi, T na for Totori, U is for Natumosh, V is for Vestation, W is for Worry, X is for Pull Off His Sang, Y is for Yawa, YZ is for Zap. As he won't go, that moderator say, come on, come here. He said, why did you say Y is for Yawa, Z is for Zap? He said, bros, moderator, as we gather for you, so if Yawa gas, what will we go do? He said, we'll go Zap.
I was laughing my head out. Alright guys, I hope you had fun. I had so much fun. Please always tune in and we'll give you the best of comedy. Thank you so much and God bless you. Stay safe out there, okay? We're all maintaining